Hi guys, my name is Anne and today I'm going to show you guys how to use the if function. So I have a table here and let's say I am going to answer this question. Are you going to return the items? And let's say that I will base my decision on whatever I have here. So what I want to happen is that if the item here, the item number of items not sold is greater than or equal to 10, I am going to return the items. Otherwise, I'm going to keep it. So my answer to this question is just a yes or a no. Okay, so type equals if, and after that you are going to type an open parenthesis here, then you will tell Excel that if the number of items, or E3, which is this cell, is greater than or equal to 10, my answer here is yes, which means I am going to return the item. But or otherwise, if it does not meet this, meaning it is less than 10, the answer to this question is no. And then I'll just enter the close parenthesis there and press enter. So again, my answer to this question is based on whatever I have here. So you type if E3 is greater than or equal to 10, my answer is yes. Please do not forget to put a comma after, and then otherwise it's a no. Type it again here. If E4 is greater than or equal to 10, then my answer is yes. Otherwise it's a no. I recommend that you manually type the formula so that you can practice. Otherwise, you can just drag this. You can drag that down. Okay. And I'm just going to make sure that we have a bold border there. And if you have already watched my video on conditional formatting, you can actually apply that on this cell. So it's up to you guys if you would like to have a green background for yeses and red for no's. But I hope that you enjoyed the video and I hope that you learned something new today. And please don't forget to click the like button if you enjoyed the video. And thank you for watching.